Hello everyone. Today on my vacation, I am at Ardeche South, France. And today we are going to review the Mercedez Benz 500E. And I got this car from a store. It came from Factory Fresh 2022, number 2 out of 10. Here's the base. Here's the body, the wheels, the chrome wheels. And also, you can see it has two different rivets over here. It also has a cold window over here. It also has some painted headlights. And also has some cool doors over here. So anyways guys, that's I have all to say. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and share this for more videos. So yeah. So anyways guys, I will see you soon in my next video. Bye bye!